Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated skincare routine. So first, I'm just going to be putting my hair up in a little bun using a scrunchie. I like using scrunchies because it doesn't really leave creases on your hair. So the next step, I'm just going to be washing my hands with soap. You want to make sure your hands are clean before you touch your face. Next, I'm just going to be using a makeup wipe, and I'm using the Members Mark makeup wipe, but I don't really recommend this though because it does kind of sting your eyes. I'm just using this up because I already bought it and I don't want to waste it. So next, I'm just going to be turning the water on and making it a little bit warm. And then I'm going to be wetting my face and applying the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I really like this cleanser because it's safe for everyday use and it's really gentle, but it doesn't really bubble up like the name says. And then I'm just going to be using a little facial brush, and then I'm just going to be brushing my face. And then after, I'm just going to be rinsing my face and also rinsing the brush that I used. After that, I'm just going to be patting my face dry, and make sure don't scrub your face because that tends to irritate the face. And then I'm just going to be wiping off the sink because I don't think I'm going to be using it anymore. And next up, I'm going to be using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water, and I like the blue cap version because it has a little bit of oil, so it removes a lot of the makeup. Next, I'm going to be using the Humphreys Witch Hazel toner. I like this toner because it's very gentle on your face, and the only downside is it does smell kind of bad. And then I'm just going to be fanning my face to dry the products a little bit. Next, I'm going to be using a Crust 3D white strip. So I'm just applying it to the top of my teeth and the bottom of my teeth. So I usually leave this on for about 30 minutes, so I'm going to have the strips on for the rest of the video. And then for my face, I'm going to be using the Fruit of the Earth Vitamin E Skincare Cream. I like to use this moisturizer for the nighttime because it is pretty thick and I really want my face to be moisturized at night. I also like to use the pulling method. I think that this method is supposed to prevent skin aging. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I just use that method. And you have to make sure to also put moisturizer on your neck. And then I'm just going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Eye Cream. I just use this on my under eyes and all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be using this Differin gel. I really love this stuff because it really does shrink your pimples. My sister showed me this product and she told me that her dermatologist recommended it for her. So yeah, you can get this over the counter. You don't really need a prescription for it. And then next, I'm going to be using this Jamaican Mango and Lime Black Castor Oil. And I like using this for my eyelashes to lengthen them. So the way I use this, I just use a cotton swab and dip it in the bottle, and then I just basically put it on like how I would put on a mascara. I really like to saturate the cotton swab and make sure that all of the oil is in my eyelashes. So for the last step, I am putting on lip balm, and as always, I'm going to be using the Vaseline Lip Therapy. And I didn't show myself brushing my teeth because I did have the Crust white strips on. So when I do brush my teeth, I like to use the Oral-B electric toothbrush and the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!